Good day students, continuing with the organic chemistry. This is our lecture number 4. Today we will be discussing the naming of the unsaturated compounds. So this is our organic lecture number 4. So naming of unsaturated compounds. Rules for that is select the longest continuous chain having at least one multiple bond. If there are more multiple bonds, try to take all of them in the selected chain. So they should be taken in the selected chain. No matter the chain is not the longest, still those multiple bonds, they are to be counted in the selected chain. Now we have a structure. We will be writing the structure of this compound, 2-ethyl pent-1-ene. How this compound came? We have word root of 5 carbons, 2-ethyl pent-1-ene. Now you complete the valencies. Each carbon should be made tetravalent. So this is this compound. So we have selected the longest continuous chain and we have numbered this chain from that end, which gives the lowest number to the double bond. Then during writing of name, we replace the A and E of the corresponding alkane, that was pentane here, by the suffix ene in this case. Then if double bonds occur twice, we take another multiple system, that is triple bond system. This is having triple bond, this will be but-1-ine. Now in case two double bonds are present, then name is alkane. For 3 triple bonds, we use alk-trienes. Similarly, for 2 triple bonds, name is alk-diene. For 3, it is alk-triene. Then we have 4th rule. If we have a mixed system, the system having both double and triple bond, both double and triple bonds, then follow US sum rule. If it is same, if sum is same from both ends, then double bond is preferred during numbering, and name is ended as yn. So we are having this system having double bond as well as triple bond. Number will be same from both the ends since we are having 4 carbon in this case. So numbering is done by preferring double bond here. So this is your 4 carbon system built for 4, 1 in, and it is 1 in 3 in. So younger brother is given preference. The system having 2 bonds, it is preferred during the numbering, while triple bond is given the preference to the name of the compound should be ended according to the big brother. It is ended as "-ine". Then we have the few structures where we will be writing the names of this structure. Pent-2-ene, simple compound. This is pent-2-ene. Let us name some compounds which are having 2 or more double bonds. For example, we have this CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. Now this system contains 3 double bonds. So number it from any end, we will get the same number of sums. So this will be hexa. 1 is having double bond 1, 3, 5. Triene. Since we are having 3 double bonds, so this system will be named as triene. If we have 2 double bond, then system will be named as diene. This is buta. 1,3-diene. Similarly, if we have 2 triple bonds, one, two, three, four, 5, pent 1, 4-diene. So if we are having more double bond and triple bond, then we use the term alkadiene, alkatriene, and so on. Now we have some cyclic unsaturated systems having double bond in the cycle. Along with that, they are having substituents. So numbering of this cycle should be started in such a way so that double bond of the cycle should get the lowest number here. It is 1, 2, 3. So its name should be 2,3 dimethyl cyclo X 1-ene. So these are the compounds which are named like this. Sometimes we are having cycle having double bond. Along with that, we have aliphatic cycle which is also having double bond here. Now how to name this cycle? Then numbering should be started from the double bond 1, 2. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. So this compound will be now 2. It is joined through 1 carbon, 1 butynyl, and then we have cyclohex 1-ene. So in this manner, these compounds, they are named. Double bond should be double bond when present in the cycle, its both carbons should be counted in the numbering. So we'll start the numbering from the outside. 1, 2, and 2 carbon is substituted with this group butynyl. So we wrote 2 outside. This is carbon number 2 of this cyclic system. It has more carbon, that's why it is taken as a parent system. This is having 4 carbon, this is taken as substituent system. So this is 2, 1 butynyl cyclohex 1 in this manner. If the number of carbon would have been more in the side chain, then that would have been considered as a parent system. For example, we have this system. Now this system will be the parent system here, and this is 1 carbon is having cyclopropyl or cyclopropenyl. So this is your 1 cycloprop 1-enyl. Then we have but 2-ene. So in this manner, this is numbering is done. Then we come to the naming of mixed system. We have already taken some mixed system where they were having double bond as well as a triple bond. This is the system. If I number it from this side, sum of the number is 1 plus 3, 4. If I number it from this side, sum of the number will be 2 plus 4. So this numbering is okay. So we'll be writing its name pent, 5 carbon system, 1-ene, 3-ine. So mixed system, they are number and name like this. Then we have one more name, hex 1-ene, 5-ine, 6 carbon system. In this case, sum of the number will be same from both ends. Therefore, it is to be numbered from this end. This numbering is okay. We have 6 carbon system, hex 1-ene, 5-ine. This is the correct naming of this mixed system. So after doing the unsaturated systems, simple and mixed system, now we shift to the compounds which are having the functional group in the structure. So naming of the compounds having functional group. So this is our third heading, nomenclature of compounds having functional groups. So if the compound has a functional group, then numbering should be started from that carbon to which functional group is attached. If the functional group already contains carbon, then numbering to this carbon is given the lowest numbering. Numbering is done in such a way so that the functional group carbon should get the lowest number. So this is the first way. The numbering of the selected chain should be done from that end which gives lowest number to the substituted carbon. Now let us write some structure. 4-methyl pentane 2-ol. So it is word root is 5 carbon, 4 carbon, numbered from any side, 4-methyl pen-2-ene, pentane 2-ol. So this is the structure of compound. Then we have the compound which is having double bond, which is having chlorine, which is having COOH. Since COOH is the most reactive functional group, therefore numbering should be done from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentanoic acid, 2 chloro. 2 chloro, pent 3 in 1 oic acid or oic acid simply. So this is the numbering of the system having more than one kind of functional groups. Then we have another compound CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. This compound is to be, this is ketonic group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 methyl pentane 2 on. This is the compound 4 methyl pentane 2 on will be its name. Then we have another system which is having both aliphatic as well as aromatic groups. Since functional group Cl is present in the side chain, so this will be dealt as a parent chain. It is carbon number 1, it is 2. So you will be writing 2, 2, diphenyl, 1, 1, 1, trichloro, ethane. This is the compound where we have taken aliphatic chain as a parent chain. Then we have another system CH2OH, CH2O, CH2, CH2OH. These are joined by a single bond. These are alkoxy groups. And then we have CH, COOH. Now, in this case, numbering should be started with the carboxylic carbon. This is carbon number 2, which is having these alkoxy groups. This is the single bond, this is the single bond. If we see it is ethoxy, but here this carbon also contains the hydroxy group. So you will be writing it as carbon number 2 पे ethoxy लगा है 2 bis, और यहाँ भी आपके पास 2 पे हाइड्रोक्सी है. Then 2 bis 2 hydroxy ethoxy. Then we have this system ethanoic acid, 2 carbon acid. It was a derivative of ethanoic acid. 2 bis 2 hydroxy ethoxy ethanoic acid. This E should be started with smallest letter. So these two are the substituent on this carbon, and this OH is substituent of these 2 carbon. That's why we have number 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 hydroxy ethoxy. This for 2 similar group 2 this is their position, 2 carbon ethanoic acid. So this is the naming of the compound which are containing one functional group, or sometimes they are having more than one functional group, but they are not of the same type, they are of the different types. Then we have this system numbering of the continuous longest chain is done. It is 6 carbon system. Carbon number 3 is having formyl, so this will be 3 formyl, then hex 4 in monoic acid, or you can omit one, enoic acid. This will be the name of this compound. It is having formyl group as well as carboxylic group. Since carboxylic group, they are more active, they are given priority during the numbering. So we have numbered the chain from that end which gives lowest number to the carboxylic group, and then we name the compound, the other group that is taken as a substituents.